Perhaps this dreamy scene clashing with realism suggests that Klimt is a man of contradictions, extremely famous yet little known. Hi art lovers, I'm LIOBA BRÜCKNER and I'm here with Google Arts and Culture to let you in on 5 little known facts about Gustav Klimt. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the Google Arts and Culture YouTube channel. Ready? Born in 1860s Vienna, Gustav Klimt was the 6th of 7 children. Although his family had little means, his parents always did the most to support his artistic pursuits. So, at an early age, they enrolled him as an artist apprentice alongside his brother. Klimt showed such innate talent and dedication at age 14, he earned a scholarship to study painting. During his academic years, Klimt learned to paint the human figure in a naturalistic manner, following the neoclassical style. He started working on commission paintings, further developing his attention to detail and realistic technique. But this was only the beginning. To bring attention to his art, Klimt teamed up with his brother Ernst to work on decorative paintings of buildings, a stepping stone to themes that would become extremely important in his future work. Did you know that Klimt had a hidden talent for painting landscapes? When he wasn't busy creating masterpieces in the city, you could find him at the shores of Attersee, where he devoted himself to capturing the beauty of nature on canvas. The locals even nicknamed him Waldschrat or Forest Demon, and it's no wonder. Klimt's landscapes are nothing short of otherworldly. It's said that he even used a telescope to help him better capture the depth and detail of the views he was painting on a flat canvas. Not only did religion inspire the scenes in Klimt's work, but also his technique. During his travels to Venice and Ravenna, he was struck by the stunning Byzantine mosaics, which featured rich imagery, saturated in gold, and isolated the subject from the background. Klimt was inspired to start experimenting with similar elements in his paintings, incorporating gold leaf and playing with two-dimensional patterns and geometry. His style became bolder and bolder, and his naturalistic approach soon was nowhere to be found. Did you know the kiss may be a self-portrait? Klimt's partner Emilie Flöge often posed for him, but he may have also included himself in the painting. It's a mystery, but the work shows more about him than just his appearance. Klimt's golden face made him a cultural icon, and even though it makes up just a fraction of his works, it went on to become his hallmark. It features his contradictions and themes in harmony, like the mosaic he made for the Palais Stocklet, which showcases his skills in decorative painting, allegory, and the human form. Klimt's work continues to inspire artists today through his bold experimentation with materials, seemingly contradictory style, and sometimes almost abstract paintings. It's no surprise that we are still fascinated by the faces, patterns, and golden mist in his work that captures the essence of the man who devoted his life to his craft. If you want to learn more about amazing artists like Klimt, be sure to check out Google Arts and Culture's YouTube channel.